Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable ladies and gentlemen, judges and viewers. Today, we gather to discuss a crucial issue that threatens the fabric of our society. Yes, of course, the degradation of morality in our young generation. And now, I invite you all to listen with full attention, reflect and work together to find the solutions that form the foundation of our harmony and progress. So well with me, Muhammad Ubaidillah, is delegation of Nurjadi Junior High School with my simple speech under the title, Facing the Moral Degradation of the Young Generation in the Midst of Modernization. Well, ladies and gentlemen, modernization and the development of information technology are two things that are inseparable in our lives today. These two phenomena have brought major changes in various aspects of life, both in terms of economy, social, culture, and the morality. On the one hand, modernization and information technology have brought us to an era of globalization, where information across the world can be accessed easily and quickly. However, on the other hand, these changes also bring negative impacts that cannot be ignored, especially on the morality of the younger generation. But everybody, modernization is the process of change from traditional condition to the more advanced or the modern condition. It includes changes in areas such as technology, information, economy, and socioculture. The millennial generation, born between the 1980s and early 2000 years, grew up amidst rapid technological development. They are very familiar with digital technology and have almost unlimited access to information from around the world. And if we according to Prof. Dr. Mashkuri Abdullah, Director of the Postgraduate School of the Sharif Hidayatullah State Islamic University, Jakarta, he stated that information disclosure is a very positive and beneficial thing, especially on the younger generation. However, he also warned that this openness of information contains negative impacts that can damage morals, especially for children and adolescents. These negative impacts include the spread of bad information, such as pornography, uneducative online games, and excessive consumerism content. This is also one of the main problems rising from modernization and information openness is the moral degradation of the millennial generation. For example, cases of misuse of social media to spread negative content and hoaxes that can divide national unity. Consumptive behavior and hedonistic lifestyles are also increasingly prevalent among teenagers who are more often influenced by the global trends than local cultural values. In addition, the rise of pornography and uneducative online games also pose a serious threat to the moral development of children and adolescents. Young people who actually should focus on education and self-development are instead plunged into unproductive and destructive behavior. So well everybody, because this problem is caused by the uncontrolled development and using of information technology, we need to adapting ourselves first with this modernization, like several steps as follows. First is strengthening the role of the family. The family is the smallest unit that first instills moral values. Therefore, the role of the family is very important in shaping the character of children. Parents should be more active in supervising and guiding their children, especially in the use of information technology. And second, moral education at school. Schools also have an important role in instilling moral values, like the moral education should be an integral part of the school curriculum. In addition, schools need to supervise access to information used by students, as is done by some educational institutions that limit the independent use of cell phones and computers. And for the last is supervision by the government. The government needs to continue to make efforts to control negative content on the internet. Censorship and blocking policies on uneducational content should be strengthened. The Electronic Information and Transaction Law, or ITE, also needs to be implemented more strictly to reduce the negative impact of information disclosure. So guys, let's together take an active role in overcoming the negative impacts of information technology and modernization. Parents, educators, and the government must work together to form a young generation with strong morals and character. Let's instill moral values early on, monitor the use of information technology, and continue to make preventive efforts to maintain the morality of the nation's next generation. In a conclusion, modernization and information technology, yes, as we know together, bring many benefits to our lives. However, we must also be aware of its negative impacts, especially on the morality of the younger generation. But by strengthening the role of the family, moral education in schools, and supervision by the government, we can overcome this challenge. Let's together create a conducive environment for the moral and character development of the millennial generation for a better future of the nation. To close, let's remember the simple truth. The true measure of a society's morality is how about it treats its children. Our efforts to restore the moral values are for the future of our young generation. Together, let's be the change we want to see, building a foundation of honesty, respect, and harmony for everyone. Thank you for your attention and commitment to this important cause. And last I say, have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.